All right, guys, it's time for a one-box break, random break here of Platinum Baseball few hit parade. So this is Series 1. There's 400 boxes altogether. This is box number 82. So you've got 42 players altogether that are included in this series. So every box has got one autograph card guaranteed to be of one of those 42 players. So you've got all the big names currently playing and Hall of Famers as well in that. So here is who has a spot in this one. So Stephen K, you've got a spot. Sean G with 1. Cars, you've got 2. Stephen B with 2. Paul M, you've got 2. Marty's got 2. Tom, you've got 2. Sean H with 1. And then Michael W, you've got 1 as well. So 14 spots altogether. And each $20 spot gives you 3 random last names. So here's what we'll do first. We'll go ahead and randomize the players. Mix up the order a little bit. So here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now let's figure out who's got what player. All right, so we got 3 times here. All right, here we go. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so Sean, you're at the top. Carr is down at the bottom here. Let me try to sort these so you can see who you've got. All right, hang on a second. All right, come on now. Trying to sort these stupid rows. All right, there we go. All right, so here we go. So cards, you've got Chris Bryant, Randy Johnson, Barry Bonds, Derek Jeter, Benintendi, and Mattingly. Marty, you've got Trout, Stanton, Snyder, Greg Maddux, nice. That paid off well last weekend. Hank Aaron and Piazza. Michael W., you've got Ken Griffey Jr., Bench, and Chipper. Paul M., you can see who you've got, Sean G. and Sean H. Good to have Stephen B. back with us. Stephen K. He's got Musial, Banks, and Mays. Tom with Mickey Mantle, Aaron Judge, Bo Jackson, Ripken, Williams, and Buster Posey. All right, so there you go. Sorry that took too long. All right, so here we go. Good luck. 82 out of 400. Oh, dear. How about a triple threads Phenom 34 Bryce Harper? Auto bat numbered 4 out of 13. And that may be a rookie card. Look how young he looks in that picture. That's going to be 2013 triple threads. So the question is, who had Bryce Harper? Stephen B. Stephen, that's a good return right there, man. Goodness. So nice pull. Going out to Stephen. So congrats, man. That's a nice hit right there. So we'll go ahead and get that card mailed out. We'll do another box of this next weekend. So if you want to get in on that, it's $20 a spot. Gives you 3 random last names. And for $20, you can pull some magic like that. So appreciate you guys joining us on the Platinum Baseball.